the buck 10 reverse. That's an 8 count reverse or turn. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's a half turn and a box step put together. That's what that's called, a buck 10 revert. So we're going to try this again, this 8 count revert right quick. Something like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see some shufflers already. We're going to do it one more time to make sure everybody got it, because it appears throughout the whole song. You're going to constantly hear buck 10 revert, buck 10 revert, buck 10 revert. So I have to make sure you all got it. So let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 to your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y'all look so good on stage. I should have brought y'all some blazers. Check this out. Right after that, we're going to go left step like this. The song is going to say left step. We're going to step left like this. 1, 2. Then the song is going to say right step. And we're going to step to the right like this. 1, 2. Y'all got it? All right. So we're going to start there. Left step. 5, 6, 7. Left step. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right. Y'all halfway there already. So just like the electric slide and just like the Cupid shuffle, we're going to start walking to the right. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. And we're going to count 5, 6, 7, 8 with your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go to the left and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's start from the beginning. The left step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, y'all halfway there already. All right, now it's going to get fun now, because that was the easy part. Now, at this point, it's going to get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the front, to the back, left step 2 times, time. Hey, slide back, left 2 times. Now back to the left step 1, 2, right step 1, 2, reverse, 2, 3,